Hey everyone, and welcome back to Contain Your Life. The chill is in the air, and for so many of us, that means cozying up with a warm mug of hot chocolate. But what if I told you that your hot chocolate could do so much more than just taste good? What if it could actually nourish your body from the inside out? Well, get ready, because today we're making functional hot cacao. This isn't your average sugary powdered mix from a packet. This is a rich, creamy, and deeply satisfying drink designed to support your well-being. So, what makes it functional? It's all about the ingredients we're using, which are chosen specifically to support things like heart health, brain function, mood balance, and even healthy circulation. And the star of the show is raw cacao. Now, you might be thinking, cacao, cocoa, what's the difference? It's huge. Unlike processed cocoa powder, raw cacao is loaded with antioxidants. We're talking more than blueberries. It's also naturally high in magnesium. It's a super important mineral that many of us are deficient in, which helps with relaxation and muscle function. Plus, it contains something called theobromine. This is a gentle, natural stimulant that gives you a smooth, sustained lift in energy and mood, without the jitters and crash you get from caffeine. It's a calm, focused energy. And to top it all off, studies suggest that the flavonols in cacao can help reduce inflammation in the body. So you see, this is way more than just a treat. Now, let's talk about how to make this delicious, nourishing drink. It's incredibly simple. You'll need 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk for that amazing creaminess, half a cup of filtered water, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw cacao powder, depending on how rich you like it. We'll also add half a teaspoon of cinnamon for warmth and its own anti-inflammatory benefits. Little pinch of mineral sea salt to bring out the flavors. And half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, if you want to boost it even further. You can add a scoop of maca powder for hormone balance or some collagen for gut and skin health. And of course, you can sweeten it lightly if you desire. I recommend a little maple syrup or a touch of honey, but you might find you don't even need it. The preparation is key to getting that perfect silky smooth texture. Here's the trick. In your saucepan, before you turn on the heat, whisk your dry ingredients first. So that's your cacao powder, cinnamon, and salt. Then add just a tiny splash of the coconut milk and whisk it all together to form a thick, smooth paste. This simple step prevents any clumps and ensures everything dissolves beautifully. Once you have that smooth paste, you can slowly whisk in the rest of your coconut milk and water. Now, turn the heat on to a gentle low-medium setting. The most important rule here is do not let it boil. Boiling can destroy some of the delicate nutrients in the raw cacao and can make the coconut milk separate. You just want to heat it through until it's warm and steamy and perfect for sipping. Once it's ready, pour it into your favorite mug. I want you to take a moment with this. Breathe in the rich, earthy aroma. This isn't a dessert to be gulped down. It's nourishment in a mug. Sip it slowly. Feel the warmth spread through you. Notice how it makes you feel. It's the perfect ritual for a cold day, a moment of self-care, or a gentle pick-me-up in the afternoon. It's grounding, comforting, and so good for you. This is the perfect recipe to save for your winter reset, to help you feel your best during the colder months. So there you have it, a hot chocolate that works for you, not against you. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you customize it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.